What's up guys, and welcome back to yet another tutorial. In today's video we are talking about TICKETMASTER.com. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your pre-sale code. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post a new tutorial. So let's jump straight to the topic. So first thing you want to find is the event you're looking to buy tickets for. So let's just say you're looking to buy a concert for Billy Joel ticket. So after you click on it, you just find the date on which you want to find a pre-sale link. As you can see, March 28 pre-sale is happening now. You go to find tickets, you need to accept the cookies, and basically you can get an early access to tickets during pre-sale. So basically, as you can see, they are entering a pre-sale code over here. You can press OK, but if that does not pop up, you can just go to this unlock button over here, and as you can see, enter offer passcode. So basically this is your pre-sale code, so you just type in it over here, and basically that's the entirety of the job. So guys, quite an easy process. As you can see, find a concert with a pre-sale happening, go find tickets, and then after it loads up, basically you need to accept again, and then go to the unlock button in the upper right corner. After it, enter your code and click unlock, and basically that's it. Hopefully this was helpful to you. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.